A hard reset can clear out any lingering system glitches by draining all residual power. Turn off the PS4 completely by holding the power button for at least 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps and the power indicator light turns off. Unplug the power cable from the console. Wait for at least 20 minutes to ensure all power is drained. Reconnect the power cord and try turning the PS4 back on. A loose or faulty power cord is one of the most common reasons a PS4 won't turn on. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console and the wall outlet. Wait for at least 60 seconds to allow any residual charge to dissipate. Plug the power cable firmly back into both the console and a working wall outlet. Avoid power strips, as they can sometimes be faulty. Test the outlet by plugging in a different device, like a lamp or phone charger, to confirm it works. If your PS4 boots into safe mode but won't start normally, corrupt data on the hard drive might be the culprit. Boot the PS4 into safe mode by following step 3. Select Rebuild Database from the menu. Wait for the process to complete. This can take several hours, but it reorganizes the hard drive without deleting saved data. If a simple reset doesn't work, a software issue like corrupted system files may be the cause. Safe mode starts the console with only the most basic functions. Ensure the PS4 is completely off, with no lights showing. Connect a controller to the PS4 using a USB cable. Press and hold the power button on the console. You will hear a first beep, and then a second beep about 7 seconds later. Release the power button after the second beep. The system should start in safe mode. Press the PS button on your controller to access the menu. Select Restart PS4 to see if the issue is resolved. If none of the previous steps worked, there may be a deeper hardware problem with the internal power supply unit, PSU, or dust buildup. Use compressed air to clean out any dust from the vents on the console. This can prevent overheating, which sometimes causes consoles to fail. Test the power button. Try inserting a game disc into the drive. If the PS4 pulls the disc in and powers on, it may indicate that the power button is faulty. Consider professional repair. If the PS4 still won't turn on, it may have a faulty internal power supply or other hardware damage.